Set it.
Where's that one back? Yep.
I haven't got any water in it yet.
No, it's got it.
Sam. Right, we're in no rush tomorrow, again. Just come through. If we have to go another campsite half an hour down the road, again. There we go. So, what we're doing now is... I mean, once I change my top, should be fine. Oh, Sam. I know. There we go. So.
You took it for a little walk, didn't you?
Oh, yeah. There's Sam. There's my little angel.
Dennis is dynamic.
Spin it around.
I've got news.
Aww. In France. There we go, spin it around. There's Mr. Dennis.
Don't film me.
Oh. Why?
Look at me.
You're smiling. Zoom in, there we go. That's helping us out with the sausages.
YouTube say boil them first, so we're boiling them first.
And we got some plastic tongs.
Yep.
Lovely.
Or if you need anything, just get them out of your kitchen because you know where they are, don't you?
Mm.
But we have got some plastic.
We have got tongs. Tongs.
So,
But they got. See, can you tell them no cook? Just call them tongs.
that's not on, but the mint. I'm over the moon with that.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, turn it that way. There you go. Awesome. Mint. Ugh.
Tell you what, I think I get my cast iron. Frying pan out.
And put it on that.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. And there's Debbie. See you, man. Debbie Dennis. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment ça va? Très bien, merci et vous?
There's our little bikes. The cast iron pan's coming out. There's our little mate. There we go. Cool.
My friend.
Here's the pan.
Guy I used to work with, he's a vicar. He's now a vicar. So he's
Right.
a bit religious.